Hello and welcome to Stream Tabulous. So we're going to take a photo today and we're going to make that photo look like a bit of a drawing sketch. And it's quick and easy. We're going to use Automatic 11 to do it, and we're going to do it right after the intro. Here we are in Automatic 11, which is what we're going to be using to do this conversion today. And it's pretty straightforward. We're going to use text to image. And first of all, we want to put pencil, drawing, sketch. Neurological dyslexia, so that will be wrong. Thank you. Fix that. And put grey scale, just to make sure that it doesn't do it in black and white, which we in color, which we don't want it to do. So once we've done that, we're going to come down and we're going to use ControlNet. So make sure you've got ControlNet installed. We're going to drop our photo in here. I'm going to use this old photo of myself, and we're going to do the aspect ratio to it. And if you watch the previous video, it's as easy as, if you've added one, clicking that and then reversing it so we get our height and width for the portrait ratio. That saves us having to actually type it in, which is going to make life really easy. And we want to come down and we want to click line art, and we can click the little explosion here, which will do our conversion so we can see what our line art's going to look like. And then once we've done that, we want to change this classifier free guidance scale and lower it. The higher the free guidance scale it says that the AI can do more to it without looking at our prompts and our image. So we want to turn that down, and I'm going to turn it down to 2.5 for this one. And then once we've done that, all we have to do is click generate. And we'll wait a moment and we'll see what the result is. Okay, and here it is, and our result image is that there. So it's not bad. We can run a couple of different versions of it and see how much it cleans it up for the background. So, but that's how we change it, and we can play with our guidance scale, and we can lower it, adjust it back a bit, and see the differences that it does. We'll change it to 1.5 there. We might change that batch count, and I will run 2 images. And we'll see what results we get. So that's basically it. We just run it through a couple of times until we get an image that we're happy with. The more simplistic the photo that we're actually doing to the sketch, the better the results actually are. So it's something to keep in mind when you're doing your photos. But you know, it's sometimes the photos that we want to do have a lot of details in it. And when we get that, it's just a matter of playing with that guidance scale and just running a couple of different batch versions till we get one that we're actually happy with. Okay, and here we go. We've got 2 new images here, and we can see them side by side. And both of these are actually fantastic. There's it's smoother here. It's not as fluffy is the word I'm going to use for it. And yeah, I mean, you can take your pick. It's preference for which one you might actually like better. I'd probably go this one and might play with the contrast a little. So that's our images there. And of course, you just have to right click those, save image as, and it's as easy as that. So that's how we take a photo and turn it into something that looks a bit like a sketch and a drawing. And okay, so there it is. That's how to take a photo and use Automatic 11 to make it look more like a drawing and a sketch. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to, of course, like, subscribe, and get the bell on. Maybe leave a comment below, and of course share this to your other media groups, and hopefully it will get the word out and teach more people how to use this and have more control over what they want to do faster. There is a lot of apps out there which can convert an image to a sketch. A lot of them will lose a lot of the detail in doing so and are more simplistic, where with Automatic 11 you have more control over what you actually want to do. And that's the beauty of the AI program of Stable Diffusion, whether you're using Easy Diffusion or if you're using Automatic 11, is you've got more control. It's not just one click and done. You can actually play with it and refine it until you get something that you're more happy with. So you have more control over the final artistic product that you're actually looking for. So, of course, like, subscribe, and get the bell on, as I mentioned, and I will see you in the next Streamtabulous video. Thank you for watching my video and sticking around to the end. If you like my videos, it would really help me out if you could like and subscribe. It helps the YouTube algorithm to push my videos out there to more viewers, which in turn helps me and helps everyone. So thank you for watching my video and hanging around to the end, and I will see you in the next video.